instructor.
Hi, my name is Omar and I'm an audio and video specialist.
And together we are the Virtual Studio Academy.
So in March 2020, we realized during the global shutdown because of the pandemic, there was a huge demand for streaming. In this case, fitness streaming. We realized through trial and error all the best do's and don'ts in online streaming fitness classes.
We help the fitness industry. It doesn't matter if you're a fitness instructor, a personal trainer, do you own a gym or maybe a studio, and you want to start doing your fitness classes online, we have you covered. You will find in this channel videos about technology, fitness, and education.
So now we're going to be starting to create new content for you guys. So make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button with that notification bell so that way you get notified for all of our new content coming out. Until then, see you guys soon.
Bye.
Cheers.